What's up everyone? We're here today for an epic video of You Make It, We Skate It here at the Fremont Skate Park, and we have a special skateboard. And the skateboard is this box. Yep, we're gonna skate the box.
I got you.
That was my drink, bro. That does not sound like a skateboard.
You broke it. No, we're good.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Whoa, hey, no one saw that. No one saw
That
that.
looked like a millipede or something.
All right, you guys ready for the great reveal? Glow, I know you were asking what this is and I didn't tell you. Now you're gonna find out. Are you ready? What's the first thing that comes to mind?
Got a skateboard, maybe a mini deck.
Yeah, that is not the right answer. Go ahead and check it out, Glow.
Oh, bro.
What's going on? Is that heavy?
Bro, it's heavier than me.
It looks like
Try to grab it.
Is it back
massager?
Man, I have a camera.
It looks
now,
like it's
copy.
fresh out of Battle Box.
Oh, yeah.
You broke it!
Broke it already. Gosh, all right, well check this out. So we have a regular skateboard that's made look somewhat familiar to you. We've done a video of just the skateboard deck with these on there.
It won't pop.
But I thought, what's gonna happen if we put some trucks on there and then put these on and also put them on the nose and on the tail? So literally, it's like the one rollerboard we had that you dark slid here, Rick.
Yeah.
You should theoretically be able to roll forever.
What is this for?
What is it for?
What would
Why
I
are these
put
so
these
heavy?
on?
Yeah, I think it's for like a like a big appliance or like a big machine or like some kind of like conveyor belt, something like
I
that.
have a question.
Yes, what is your question?
After we're done, can we take the trucks off and see how this skates without the trucks?
No.
We already did that.
You did? I wasn't here
I
for
wasn't
it.
here
Years
either.
ago.
Well, I want to re-watch that.
Well, now you're making your own history, Mo.
It's kind of like a trackpad for a mouse.
Dang, the pimple is getting popped right here.
What's wrong with you?
You're the first one to take
Ooh,
a
bro.
step on this board.
Bro.
Okay, so I just noticed right now that you can't even fully snap the tail. It's like I'm grinding the ground.
Oh. Okay.
Yep, I knew you would start thinking about it creatively.
Right here. Let's get a little mani, because the tail is not touching. Okay, hold on.
Yes, now you're thinking.
Yeah, all right. So if I could roll down like that, that means I could roll down fakie on this
Means
one.
you can roll up like that too.
You're right. All right, before Chris does.
Oh!
Bro, that looks so cool.
Man, Mo.
Did you make this?
You're really on a roll. All right, Mowgli. The skate park is your oyster right now. You can do anything your heart desires. You have first dibs.
All right, I'm gonna try to board slide.
He's gonna try board slide.
Is it a board roll or board slide?
It's a board roll.
Board
It's
roll.
a board slide. It's a board slow roll.
Is it sliding if it's rolling? I don't think so. Oh. No! Hey, you know what they always say, Mo? Oh, wheel.
One of my favorite skate videos is Roll Forever.
Is it a grind or a slide?
Are you gonna pop out midway, Mo? Yeah. That's crazy. Oh!
Okay. That just feels really strange because my brain wants to control the pop out.
How does it feel compared to the one with the rollers on the edges?
It's just heavier.
It's a little different.
That is so sick. It sounds cool too.
That is so healthy.
What is wrong with you today?
I just lived to give you a hard time.
No, I love it. Let me tell you guys this. I don't know if you want to leave this in, Aussie Dan, but basically like a couple months ago, Chris started training me in Super Smash Bros. And at the time, he wasn't very good. So I got to the point where I got good enough to start beating him, and now he's leveled up again. So now I have another goal to chase after.
Yeah, now I actually feel like I'm really good at Smash Bros.
Yeah,
It's
you're good
amazing.
Oh!
All right, Mowgli, if you land it right here, I will let you keep a wheel.
Okay.
Oh! Dude, this thing is really heavy.
Giving that flat bar a pedicure.
Hey, you just gotta roll away. Mowgli, what do you have to say to the people who are trying to land a trick that are going through exactly what you're going through?
Just think about time and how it just, you don't get it back.
You heard it here first.
Bro, I can't even lift it up. It's heavier than JD's.
What does time mean?
This is my experience.
You missed his
Wow.
reaction.
Is time real?
Of course, because it's your experience, it's my experience, it's Ricky's, it's Glow's, it's JD's, it's McNuggets, it's Susie's. I don't even know what everyone's experiencing. What are you experiencing?
What is, describe to me the color red.
That is so.
It is blue mixed with yellow, mixed with pink.
Perfect.
All right, JD.
Should I kickflip?
Yeah. If you kickflip first try,
$50.
Chris will give you $50.
Really?
Yeah.
didn't say that.
Shoot.
Yes, I did say that, but you didn't land it.
Why did you step off?
That was sick.
JD almost cheated you out of $50.
I would have been upset.
Oh!
He almost finessed Chris McNug big time.
You know what?
Oh, my foot is stuck in the wheel. That's pretty cool.
That did not work.
No, I did not.
At all.
Alright, Gabe, I've acquired the board. We're here at the skate park. This is the Fremont biome, and we're gonna explore it. Oh! This thing's heavy, brother. Oh, it's kind of easy to balance. Yeah, the balance helps, or the weight helps the balance.
All right, so before we go on to the banger of this video, I want to see what it looks like in the mini ramp.
Wait, what's the banger?
We don't know what the banger is.
I know.
Well,
I
we're gonna finish this section, then you and I are gonna figure out what the banger is.
That was like a harbinger to me getting bodied.
Whatever you want, buddy.
Okay.
Whatever
Well,
you
we're
want.
gonna drop in. There's gonna be an issue here because first of all, when you drop in, you have your tail planted and there's rollers on it, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. But we're gonna find out right now.
Dude, your back tails are gonna be fire.
I wish I was good at back tails. I would actually try it.
Dang. It looks so wrong.
Oh! That was sick.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna lie, that felt really cool.
How far do you think you can go?
I'm not really good at board sliding in transition, but that made me want to practice. I can try. Maybe let's try go around this corner.
All right.
Little challenge.
Oh, that's definitely possible.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh! That was very cool, but it does not count.
What do you mean it doesn't count? You know how much style that was using both of my
It
hands?
doesn't count because I didn't get the iPhone slow-mo yet.
Okay.
Oh!
I got the board slider on the corner, 270 out, I'm stoked on. We have the nose and the tail, and I'd feel really bad if I didn't try to see if I could slide on the nose or tail, so I think we should give it a shot.
Oh!
I'll try and roll in. Yeah, that's good.
Oh! Wow.
You know what, I'm happy with that. I think we've done some cool stuff in this bowl and it's time to move on to whatever Gabe thinks the banger is gonna be. So what is it gonna be?
It's whatever I think it's gonna be.
You know what, you're the creative director. You direct me, I'm here, I'm a supporting character. What do I gotta do next?
I have the perfect idea.
What is it?
Over here.
What if you board slid the top of this?
Okay, you want me to die, don't you?
No. But I
see
do
it.
want you to succeed.
Thank you. Here's the ollie, see what happens. That might work. Oh! I don't know. How about like a caveman board slide?
Whoa.
Like, how am I supposed to land there?
I have no clue.
Yeah. Let's try caveman board slide the handrail.
Okay, wait, so you're going for the handrail.
Yeah, I figured like...
And then you said on the nice flat 10-inch wide ledge, I'm trying to kill you, and now you're voluntarily going for the handrail.
The thing about that is I'm on a platform, so it's a narrow challenge by nature. So I could fall off, but with this,
You can, it's an even thinner narrow challenge, and you can fall off.
well, we're gonna go for it and see what happens.
I believe in you.
Oh! Let me see, this is heavy. Let me get the caveman.
Uh-oh.
Just broke more stuff.
What have you done?
I made it less safe.
You can just break these off.
Nope. Do the handrail.
That is sketch. Okay.
I know. This one's for every single variety of avocados.
He said this one is for every single variety of avocados in existence. Leave it in the comment below what your favorite type of avocado is.
Okay.
I have no idea what happened.
I don't either. I just woke up, spawned here, and now I'm doing this.
It looks like you stuck.
No, I wanted to get a feel for it, so I tested it out and jumped off right away. But now I have a sense of how heavy it's gonna be, how it's gonna feel when I'm grinding, sliding, rolling, and I'm gonna try and put it down right here. Yo, that guy is if Derek and I had a baby.
Leave that in.
Those people think I'm hurt right now. Thank you. Yes.
I was gonna put the roller on your back, but then I felt like that would be a little too
No,
personal.
I was actually hoping you did that because that would have felt really nice.
Yeah, figured.
If you see me fall and stay like that, it's because it feels really good on my lower back and my neck. And it looks ridiculous.
If Chris ever falls like that in public and you see him stay in that position, he's inviting you to touch him. Cut that out.
Leave that in, because that is absolutely 100% correct. Leave it in, Dan.
I hate you.
Leave it in.
Does it like feel any different than a regular board?
Yeah, it's just like 4 times heavier.
Is it any more like fast?
It's weird because like obviously the friction is different with rolling as opposed to sliding, but it still feels like with the weight and everything, it's still kind of the same. It's just coming out of the slide, since I have to turn back 90 to get it straight, it's kind of difficult since there's so much weight, so I have to adjust to that.
Man,
But sliding,
this is unreal.
I was gonna do some kind of roll pun and it didn't work.
You gotta just let it roll off the tongue.
I hate you. Alright, hey, I'm gonna get you guys.
Dude, I almost just died. I stepped down the stair and landed on the wheel that you put right there, and I almost broke my ankle.
That would have been embarrassing.
Yeah, it would have. Also would have been painful. Oh! Team got us back. Or
I
guess
needed a little pumping up from the comrades, and it worked out great because I was ready to commit. I was not going to let them down. I love having friends to skate with. It's the best. Oh,
someone
grind
do
this?
this. Yeah.
What kind of grind do you think
Or,
would be good
I don't
on
know
this?
if grind, just make it all the way across.
Let's see if I can get on it right here. Let's just take baby steps, work up incrementally, and then we'll see what happens. Like that?
Board slide would work.
You know how dumb that felt?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it looked pretty dumb too, but when you're going fast and you're sliding across the
Yeah,
whole
when
box.
you're not dumb, it looks sick, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I gotta go a little faster.
Yeah, I think so.
Like I said, baby steps, increments, little victories, climb to the top of the mountain. You can interpret that however you want, but that's what I said.
Scares me every time.
Oh my God, that's money.
Off the edge, bro. Come off the edge.
I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm doing the whole thing.
No way.
I don't know if you noticed, but since we got these sick little groups here, I walked into a board slide. It was great. You see that?
Roll forever, bro.
Thanks, man.
Dang, that was really inspirational, Mo. Hey, I have more tears in my eyes now than you did when you watched Mufasa die in The Lion King. Hashtag spoiler alert.
Dang, bro. You know, a lot of these people haven't seen Lion King, the best movie Disney's ever produced.
Leave it in the comments below if you've seen Lion King.
Oh!
Dude, you really are locked.
Yeah, I'm literally locked in. I'm on lock, brother. I'm on lock. All right, I think I can do the whole thing. What I'm gonna do now that I know what it feels like to slide it, I'm gonna work on popping from the kicker into it, get comfortable with that, and then combine the two.
You know what's crazy?
What?
Is that you've been working up your confidence to do this whole time. And when I was planning this video, I was like, yeah, he can do it. That's why I brought you here.
appreciate that.
And now you're here and you're like, wow, I can do it. And I'm like, I knew you could do that days ago.
So you have belief and faith in me, but now that it's real life and I have to put my physical body on the line, I have to slowly build that same belief and faith in myself.
I mean, I guess you could say, I don't know.
I mean, I don't know either. I'm just talking. I don't know.
I just wanted to ask a question at the bottom of your board.
Yeah, you could ask right now.
They're like metal back massagers. You want to check them out? I really don't know what they're actually for, but that's what I use them for now.
Right.
I think they might be for a conveyor belt, like an assembly line. Yeah.
Did you attach them on?
This one's broken.
Yeah, we attached them on there.
So we like trying some wacky things, and we thought this would be a good idea. Well, at least this guy did. I don't know. Yeah, this is not a really normal thing. This is pretty out of the out of the ordinary. So we're trying it. We're experimenting to see. Absolutely, yeah.
Y'all have an amazing day.
All right, I'm gonna try and land it, guys. Oh, they're so hyped. I love it.
Whoa! Dang! Who drilled a hole in Glow's board? Leaving the comments below. Oh!
I got that.
Hey Mowgli, if I throw a rock in that garbage can, what do you give me? I'm not gonna lie, it looks very hard, but it also looks like a lot of fun.
It's really fun. It's just like hoping I get on correctly, because if I don't, then I'm gonna go flying. Look at this. Look at the damage report here.
Oh dang.
Yeah. Holy! You like that?
Oh!
I keep turning.
What's happening is you're turning, so
Oh, thanks. I did not know that.
Don't turn, you'll land it.
It's as if I didn't say that right now. You know what's happening? So a lot of my...
you're turning.
I'm going home. I'm leaving right now. After I land this, I'm skating home. 30 minutes away. Okay, there's too much friction on the wheels, so what's happening is what am I doing, Gabe?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm turning, so I need a wax to keep it going straight like that. Who's got wax?
He's turning.
So when you're waxing ledges, a lot of people will just be like coloring it in like that, but the trick is to actually go in circles like that. And it, you know, it's not coating the whole ledge, but it's coating it just enough to get you through it. Having it not be completely waxed makes it feel better, in my opinion. So I always do this in circles, and I think that is the best way to wax. Now we're talking.
He tested the wheel slide on there and it literally looked no different.
Oh!
What was that?
That one, the one in the front came off and it went under your wheel. I told you to take the ones off in the front.
Did you? I didn't hear that.
I did.
My mind was somewhere else. My mind was telling me that my
you should
body.
take these off or like just flatten them.
Stubborn one. I think it's there to stay for a bit. Yep. Woo! This is a juggernaut of a skateboard right there. Takes a lot to stop it. Builds up a lot of inertia.
Did you know that inertia is a property of matter?
Thought it was a property of physics. Leave it in the comments below if inertia is a property of mass or physics or
Matter.
both. Oh, you said matter.
Yes. Bill Nye said it.
Bill, who's that?
The science guy. You don't know who Bill Nye? Get out of my sight.
I know who Bill
Oh,
Nye is.
I was
just
gonna
wanted to
say.
see what you...
I was gonna say.
Yeah, that's how I felt when we found out you didn't see Happy Gilmore, okay? Now you know how it feels. Alright, I just gotta lean more forward. That's it.
Hey, just lean more forward.
Okay.
Oh! Hello,
that,
Uzi.
Trash? What's up, Uzi?
What do you think of our creation?
Alright, what is that?
Oh! Oh! Dude, that was so sick.
Hey, the whole journey of start to finish.
Can you do it again?
You didn't hit record?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I was gonna say,
I knew Mo wouldn't mess that up.
dude, look how cool I look. That was the most fried
Leave it in the
surf.
comments below how cool Chris is.
You know how freaking cool. No, I'm just
All right, everyone, that was the Infinity rolling skateboard. That was a lot of fun. As you can see, with some trucks and wheels on it, you can do a lot of really fun, really different things on the mini ramp, on the rails, on the ledges. All in all, it's a ton of fun, and that's what matters here at Braille Skateboarding, is that we're having a good time and that we're inspiring each and every one of you to take up skateboarding, learn how to skate, and make some fun memories yourself. So there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. What content do you want to see us make? We're dropping content every single day, and we want to make sure it's the content you want to see.